Okay, so now this is us en route to town. We had to stop by to town to grab a few stuff before going to pick my big sister up. So we went to a local supermarket in town to grab, what were we going to grab in there? Oh, a wrapping paper. And I think that was it. So yeah. Okay, and then after picking the wrapping paper, we had to stop by this cloth store because we had to pick up both of my sister's clothes. So yeah, my sister mentioned she didn't have something to wear, so we went to grab her something, and then I also went to get my other sister a dress because it's her birthday. So for a birthday outfit, I wanted her to get like a nice cute little dress. So yeah, that's why we stopped here and we got them matching cute sets of dresses because myself and my other sister, we already have a cute matching romper, so I thought it was nice for them to also have cute, nice little matching set of dresses. So yeah, we got them and then we left. Then we went to the supermarket where we had parked to grab a few chasers, and I love chasing alcohol with energy drink, so that's what we got. Birthday boy.
Nakumbuka the last one ilikuwa birthday yangu.
Say hi. Second birthday girl. Third birthday girl is asleep. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so tell me why we got a dress for my sister that she was supposed to wear, and then we got into the supermarket and we forgot about it. So now we are here to pick it up and then continue with the festivities for the day. My hair looks crazy because the window was open. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The outfit. Alikuwa amesema hiyo color ni pink. Pink. Hebu onyeshe the pink color.
Ni pink.
Hiyo ni pink.
Ni pink, yes.
Yeye sema hii ni pink, hiyo yenye unshika. Hata ulizaje Rachel? Mambo gani? Hebu nyoe. Hebu nione. Cheki watu venye wamedamshi. Hebu nione birthday girl.
Wapi? Waito basi.
Birthday girl. Assistant birthday girl. Mwenye birthday yake imekuwa carried forward from much to me. Hiyo ni kikombe yangu by the way, wachane nayo.
Mwangalie usi mimi.
My love. Hi baby. Hi baby. Ah, mama, where are you going? Plain chips ya haya.
Nice.
Curry with mashed potato.
Oh. Basi nimesema itakwenda kwa iko na chumvi.
Niosi na maniwe ndo umechukua.
Grilled chicken with chips.
Mom too.
I hope my pizza is big.
I hope so.
Chicken pasta.
Zetu hakuna la.
Ziko tayari.
Try
Naenda kupenda basi. Nipeni hizo.
hiyo yako Rachel toa.
Hakuna chaki. Mchezo.
Mimi
Inakaa tamu alafu nyingi.
naomba chips.
Kwa nyingi.
Inakaa wapi?
Yes. Sije pia alichange akasema anataka chicken. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you.
Please welcome and enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Soda nifungue sasa.
Yes.
Cheza kama wewe.
Na zile
Shamalizana. Okay, so this is several days later, and my sister convinced me into going to watch the Little Mermaid premiere show with her. And yeah, I think this was the first day of showing in Mombasa, and we went there. We were a bit late as per usual, but we made it on time. Well, is it on time or in time? But anyway, we made it before it started, so that was nice.
Meet the residents of Element City. There's
Okay, so the movie was I'd say 9 out of 10. It was good. Just not my kind of movies, but it was nice.